This is a gray fox. This is a red fox. This is a fennec fox. And this is a flying fox. Wait, what? What the fox does that even mean? That's a bat. He's not a flying fox, man. He is a Batman. Just because the face resembles a bit with a fox doesn't mean it's a flying fox. You could have called it a fox bat. But why would you even care? You call this a dog-faced bat and this a flying fox? Foxes are not some creatures with wings. They are wolf-like animals with 4 legs and a tail. But to be honest, even wolves are among the victims here. Just take an example. This is a wolf, this is a fox, this is a jackal, and this is a coyote. If I see them in wild, I couldn't tell which one is which. But scientists say they are completely different species. But this is a dog. This is a dog. This is a dog. And even this is a dog, but they all are 100% same species. How does that even make sense? To make it even worse, this tiny cup-sized mutt is the same thing as this overgrown creature. And this hairbag is the same as this naked mongrel. Not only that, even this monk is the same thing. If he barks, I will consider it wisdom. I think even the puppy of this dog looks like a sage. And talking about puppies, this is a puppy. Yes, it is a puppy. This is a puppy. Yep, sure. And now this is also a puppy. What? It's called a mud puppy. How is that a mud puppy? This is a mud puppy. No, according to scientists, it's puppy in mud. And this is a mud puppy. Come on, from what direction do I need to see it to say, yeah, it looks like a puppy? And regarding the mud part, it doesn't even live in mud. It's mostly found in clean water, like rivers. It has neither mud part nor puppy part. Then why name it in such weird way? It lives in water, has a streamlined body, and has gills. The closest you could say it is a fish, but no, we will call this a fish instead. Does it live in water? No. Does it have gills? No. Does it have a streamlined body? No. Then what part of this is a fish? We don't know and we don't care. It's a fish means it's a fish. This is how a redfish looks like. This is how a goldfish looks like. And this is how a silverfish looks like. Who in the right mind would name it a fish? Some cockroach-like insect with 3 tails can't be called a fish. Rather, this water creature looks more like a fish. Is it a fish? No, it's not a fish. It's a mammal. It's called a dolphin. Okay, so this long, beak fish-looking item is a dolphin? Yep, that's correct. So this species is called a dusky dolphin? Yes, that's true. And this is called a spotted dolphin? Yes, it is. So is this called a big spotted dolphin or maybe a big dusky dolphin? No, it's called a killer whale. What does that even mean? Is it a whale? No, it's not. Then why did you name it a killer whale? Calling it a killer dolphin would be so much reasonable. But why would the naming scientist care? For them, everything is a hit and trial experiment. Every animals are their experimental guinea pigs. And talking about guinea pigs, did these rats-looking creatures originate from Guinea? No, they did not. Are they pigs? No, they are not. Then why would someone with working brain name them guinea pigs? They contain neither guinea part nor the pig part. Giving them a name like giant mouse would make much more sense. But no, the mouse part is already taken. Scientists gave this name to another creature. This is a mouse, a titmouse. Does it have tits? No, it doesn't. Is it a mouse? No, it isn't. Then why? Why give a name that is completely misleading? How can someone name a bird like that? Birds are something like pigeon, eagle, seagull, hawks. Wait a second, why is that picture here? Oh, well, it's a hawk. A tarantula hawk. If I was to guess, this image would appear in my mind if someone said tarantula hawk. But no, why would common sense work in this video? I would say it's more of a wasp than hawk. But the scientists say it's not a wasp because it doesn't make honey. And talking about honey, this is a honey bear. Does it eat honey? It mostly eats fruits, but yeah, it eats honey sometimes. What do you mean sometimes? Even I eat honey sometimes. Does that make me a honey man? And what part of this is a bear? Just because this raccoon-like thing eats honey sometimes doesn't make it a bear. It resembles less like a bear and more like a red panda. By the way, this is a red panda. A red panda? How the hell is it red? You could have called it brown panda or orange panda, but calling it red, hold on a sec. Is it even a panda? No, it's not. Come on, man, it's neither red nor a panda. How can you even look straight after calling it a red panda? Okay, forget the panda. Watch this clip and tell me what this is. No, it's not a snake. It's called a slow worm. Come on, man. Now, why would I believe that it's a slow thing? This is what a slow thing looks like. And regarding the worm part, how can this snake-like lizard thing be called a worm? If this thing is a slow worm, then this thing is a fat worm. Just because you are a scientist doesn't mean you can name anything. In fact, the naming scientists should be fined for misleading names. The mountain goats are not goats, but cows. And mountain chicken are actually frogs. Yeah, you heard me right. This is what a mountain chicken looks like. I can go on and on about these names, but it would be a super long video. So to end the video, Google the name mountain oyster. And believe me, you will instantly rush back here to subscribe to this channel after knowing what that means.